20.
20.
20.
Smalltalk 1.
Small talk 1.
Small talk 1.
Machen Sie es sich bequem.
Make yourself comfortable.
Make yourself comfortable.
Fühlen Sie sich wie zu Hause.
Please feel right at home.
Please feel right at home.
Was möchten Sie trinken?
What would you like to drink?
What would you like to drink?
Lieben Sie Musik?
Do you like music?
Do you like music?
Ich mag klassische Musik.
I like classical music.
I like classical music.
Hier sind meine CDs.
These are my CDs.
These are my CDs.
Spielen Sie ein Instrument?
Do you play a musical instrument?
Do you play a musical instrument?
Hier ist meine Gitarre.
This is my guitar.
This is my guitar.
Singen Sie gern?
Do you like to sing?
Do you like to sing?
Haben Sie Kinder?
Do you have children?
Do you have children?
Haben Sie einen Hund?
Do you have a dog?
Do you have a dog?
Haben Sie eine Katze?
Do you have a cat?
Do you have a cat?
Hier sind meine Bücher.
These are my books.
These are my books.
Ich lese gerade dieses Buch.
I am currently reading this book.
I am currently reading this book.
Was lesen Sie gern?
What do you like to read?
What do you like to read?
Gehen Sie gern ins Konzert?
Do you like to go to concerts?
Do you like to go to concerts?
Gehen Sie gern ins Theater?
Do you like to go to the theatre?
Do you like to go to the theatre?
Gehen Sie gern in die Oper?
Do you like to go to the opera?
Do you like to go to the opera?